Hello guys, welcome along. Lucas Rogers speaking from the Rogers Property Group. I hope you're all well. Another email from a client with a question regarding, do I use a mortgage broker or is it best to go directly to the bank for finance? And this is something that I'm glad someone wrote in about this, because it's something that I get asked regularly in appointments. And to be honest with you, both have their merits. Going directly to the bank can have its merits, and also using a broker as well. Let me very briefly explain to you what a mortgage broker does for you. Well, a mortgage broker arranges your finance for you. So they have access to, depending on who you're using, to maybe 20 or 30 different lenders and different options that may suit you. So they've got a big screen up there and they type in all your details as to exactly what you're going to need in the finance package. If you're looking for an offset account, if you're looking for interest only versus P&I, all those sorts of things. And what that screen does is that gives them some good options to present to you for your finance package. Now, that's a great way to go. And me personally, I've used a broker a lot in the past. And the reason why I like a broker is just for that reason, in the fact that they have access to so many different packages and so many different loan options, okay? The problem that you have if you go directly to the bank is the fact that you're only dealing with that bank. And if that bank policy doesn't suit your needs at that particular time, well, it's just not going to work for you. I'll give you a very easy example of that. Now, I get a lot of clients coming in who've started their own business, and they might be a year down the track. They've got good financials, but they've only got one set of financials. They don't have 2 years. Now, the majority of banks request 2 years of financials plus 2 years tax returns and the tax assessment notices that go with that for any self-employed person. Now, the ANZ, they only require 1 year's worth of financials and 1 year's of tax returns. So if you were to go to, say, Westpac or St. George or something like that and only have one set of financials, well, you wouldn't get a loan. But if you'd gone to a broker that knew that ANZ only required 1 year's worth of financials, well, they would have put you there and they'd be able to get you that loan. So that's one drawback of using banks. However, sometimes if you have a very good relationship with that bank, you might be with private bank, you might have a lot of lending with them, you might have a good relationship with them, well, they might be able to do you some deals and potentially overlook some little problem that you may have in order for you to be able to get finance. Sometimes they can bend the rules a little bit for you to be able to get finance. So both has its merits. I think for your average person, I would be leaning towards a broker, to be quite honest. You don't pay any more, so brokers get paid by the banks. They get paid a commission to write the deal for you and do all your administration. You don't pay any more, and sometimes a broker can actually get you a better deal than you can going directly to the bank, because sometimes they have white label loan options for different broking organisations, and you can be a part of that and get a better loan arrangement. So look, I would strongly suggest, if you're just a normal PAYG person with an average income, I would definitely check out the broking side of things. However, if you have a great relationship with your bank, you might be a high income earner, you might be with a private bank, well, you can also check that out as well. But I don't think from one to the other you're going to get a better deal. I just think it's a case of being able to do it a little bit more easy, to be honest. And a broker's going to have access to a lot of different options for you. So I hope that's helped you out in some way. If you guys have any questions, please email me in. I'd be happy to do a video on it. If you'd like to chat to me in person, please give me a call or send me an email. Take care, guys.